Complete motor repair loading. Check out the complete motor repair. This 1.5 horsepower pump motor came into the shop recently. The shaft is locked up solid. It's important to double check the voltage so we know what to set the megger at. In this case, this is a single phase 220 volt AC motor. We'll first check the connection to ground where we know it's bad. Then we'll go ahead and check each of our legs. So this signifies an issue somewhere in the motor. Next, we'll check the continuity in ohms of our motor. This is about what I expect to see for this motor. Next, we'll want to check the capacitor, so we want to verify the information on it. It's important when checking capacitors that one leg is always open. We'll set our meter to capacitance, and then we'll check our capacitor's rating. This motor had a ton of buildup around the front of it. Get the rear end bell removed and check things out. Actually looks fairly clean inside of here. Now we'll slide out the front end bell and rotor and check that side out. Also fairly clean in here. Clamped up our rotor into the vise with some custom made 3D printed jaws. This is the bearing that's locked up on it. We use arrow coil to release the rusted components. Get this front end bell pulled off and ooh, look at that's gross. This bearing has definitely seen better days. Now I'll take the custom stand I made for cleaning up rotors and get it set. With the rotor now set on here, we can polish up our shafts. I usually use a combination of a wire brush, like here, and a flapper wheel. This is what it cleaned up to after the wire brush went over it. Now let's get our output bearing pulled off here. Now pull off the rear bearing. Now with the bearings off, let's get this quick cleanup. Let's get our front end bell put on. Now we'll take the whole works and we'll put it into our stator. We'll get our rear end bell installed. Now let's give it a full line test. Good deal. Runs great. Be sure to like, comment, follow, and share our content.